Welcome to the Simple Dad Samsung tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to get a flash notification on your Samsung phone. So with flash notification, I mean when you get a notification on your phone, either the screen will start flashing or the flash at the back will start flashing. This is the Samsung S22 Ultra, so this will work for any Samsung Galaxy phones. So to enable flash notification on your Samsung phone, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings here at the top right, and this will take you into a settings menu. Scroll down until you see accessibility. Tap on it. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on advanced settings. And now here you want to tap on flash notification, which is under notifications. So here you've got two options. You've got flash notification or your screen flash notification. So when you receive a notification, any of these can be turned on. So we'll go ahead and turn on flash notifications for all apps and screen flash notifications for all apps or selected apps. If you don't want to do all apps, you can go ahead and tap on all apps and select the apps which require flash notifications for. Same for screen flash notifications. To see how it works, go ahead and tap on preview. And as you can see, it is flashing. Let's do it again. Now, once you've enabled camera flash notification and screen flash notification, go ahead and tap back. And now that will enable your flash notifications for your Samsung Galaxy phone. And there you go, you have now enabled camera flash and screen flash notifications on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.